are on, and our first target is a quarter. That's a deep quarter for a clad one. It's all the way down there. Alright. We are at a park, and it might have been an old farm here. It's not on my maps, but it doesn't mean they just didn't miss a dot or two and forget to map it. I've seen that before. So, alright, here we go. Old style pull tab. Ding 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 ding. Alright. Yeah, we have another winner. An old style pull tab. Ding 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 ding. Oh, and we have another winner. Old style pull tab. Ding 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 ding. Oh my goodness. It's the third one in the row, guys. Literally, quite literally, the third one in the row. Come on, where's the gold? This could be a gold ring. Alright. Copper penny. Woohoo! Alright guys, this is the second one I thought. There's just excuse me. There's just pennies all through here. He said there's pennies up there. I don't even understand why there's so many pennies in this. He said he calls it Penny Hill. Now I know why. So if you guys ever want to come dig some pennies, you know where to come. Alright guys, we got 32 right here somewhere. So many targets. Let's see, am I? Alright, should be right there. Alright, let's go over in this crap. Oh, the world. What in the world is this? I don't even know what that is. It's like an electrical. That's what that is. That's electrical flippy majigger, I think. Alright, I just dug one of those stupid things over here, and I just dug another one of those things here. Pretty sure there's another one right here. Alright, there it is. What in the world, people? Number 3. Down here, the dirt obviously looks a little better. This is a 19. Come on. Since when does pull tabs come up as 19? Come on. This is my Garrett. I just got a ring, but it's a little kitty one. But it's so cute. It's ringing up like silver, though. It's so bent up I can't even get my big impulse in there. Okay, it's starting to get dark over here. I don't see any markings on it. I think it's just going to be stainless steel. It's really look like a dime. Maybe it's silver plated. Nothing. Alright guys, the sun is gone. I think we're about on our last targets. Found a wheat penny, but I think I forgot to film it. This is like... Oh, there it is. And it's a copper memorial. Alright guys, we're wrapping up. Didn't find anything. Found a wheat penny in that little kid's ring. Here's a view of the place. Lots and lots and lots of grass. And it goes all the way over there. Thanks for watching.